Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC, has inaugurated a new state anti-corruption and transparency unit and launched a corruption prevention and sensitization workshop aimed at promoting ethical conduct within the corps. The event, themed Fostering Accountability in Security Operations, brought together security stakeholders, anti-corruption advocates, and senior NSCDC officials to deliberate on strategies for enhancing transparency and accountability in security operations. The initiative is part of the Corps' ongoing efforts to strengthen internal discipline, promote integrity among personnel, and reinforce public confidence in its operation. Victoria Ayorinde now reports.
The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC, has intensified its anti-corruption effort with an event that served both as the inauguration of State Anti-Corruption and Transparency Unit at ACTU and the formal unveiling of its new corruption prevention strategy. According to officials, the dual ceremony is aimed at strengthening internal mechanisms for accountability and enhancing the core capacity to combat unethical practices within its ranks. At the ceremony, the Commandant General, represented by the DCG administration, Adeyinka Anyila, said, "The Corps is determined to remain at the forefront of the fight against corruption." He urged the newly appointed ACTU members to lead by example and uphold the highest ethical standards, noting that national security can only thrive on transparency and professionalism.
Lead by example, enforce compliance without fear of evil, resist undue pressure, uphold the values of integrity, transparency, and accountability. The cause is counting on your professionalism and the nation is watching. To our Integrity Award recipient, I say congratulations. Your conduct shows that honor, honesty, selfless service still flourish within the NSCDC. You represent the best of our values, and I urge you to continue.
The ACTU chairperson, while speaking on the essence of the inauguration, explained that the initiative aims to further strengthen strategies for combating corruption within the security sector.
All demonstrate how we are intentionally strengthening the pillars of accountability within our system. This workshop is not merely an event, it is a movement, an awakening that signals our readiness to elevate standards and inspire a culture where integrity is celebrated, not compromised.
In his remarks, the chairman of the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission underscored the crucial role of ACTUs across government agencies. He stated that corruption prevention is not just an operational requirement, but an essential tool for effective security management.
Collaboration with security institutions such as the NSCDC remains essential in a rapidly evolving governance and security environment. No single institution can tackle the complex challenges facing our nation in isolation. The synergy between anti-corruption agencies and security organizations is critical, not only for improving internal processes, but also for enhancing national resilience, promoting ethical culture, and ensuring that the values we espouse are reflected in our daily operations.
With the inauguration of the new ACTU Earth and the rollout of the sensitization workshop, the NSCDC says it is strengthening its internal anti-corruption framework and improving service standards. From Abuja, Victoria Ayorinde, reporting for Captain TV.